Hi, know-it-alls. I am here today to show you the basics for building a website with Google Sites. So the first thing I would like you to do is get to a new tab, make sure you're logged into your account, click on the waffle, and then you want to look for Sites. Looks like this, Sites. Click on that. If you don't see it in your first little menu option, you might have to click down to More. On mine, it gives me this page, but you want new Google Sites. Yours might be different. New Google Sites came out in 2015, which isn't really that new, but that's what they still call it. On here, I've got some other student websites from former years. We are going to look at the Novy's Know-It-All website and learn from this, our class website. You will click on Start a new site, get a blank site, just like you get a blank document in Google Doc. All right, so once you are in here, I have a lot of things already built in because I've been using it for a while. You're going to want to first think about what's your purpose. Why build a website? Got to have a purpose. Who is your audience? My audience is you, fifth graders and parents. My purpose is to inform about fifth grade life. So here's my home page, and this is the edit menu, and you can see the word edit up here, and you can see all the different options of things that you can do. So on my home page, I've embedded a calendar, I've linked our blogs, I've got our current read aloud, I've got a slideshow of all of you. I got a spot to connect our link to our Flipgrid about our ebooks are right there. So that's what I have on the home page. Then I have some other pages right up here. So for your website, you're going to want to think about your purpose, think about your audience, and what you want to inform people on. And then you can go to pages. And all of these pages, you can just click on the plus here, make a new page. It will automatically link to your home page. It will just come right up here across the top. And if you don't like the order of these, you can literally click on it and drag it. If you want, this one, that one actually went inside my reading. But you can click and you can move them around. So you can easily drop and play and plug and play, as they say. So let me just show you some basics of adding to a page. I want to go to my math page because there's not much on there, and that's not okay. And right here in this space, I would like to add, so I'm going to click on the insert menu, and you can pick out from some different layouts. You can add all of these different things there, lots of things. I'm going to try this layout and see if this works. I want to click this box here. I'd like to put a little math video right in there, this box. So I'll go up here to this tab where I've researched this video. There it goes, all about math facts. And when I hover over this video, it has this share button. And in the share button, there's this symbol right here, which means embed code. So lots of different ways to do it. You want to look for if you want to embed your item, so it just pops up on your web page right on your screen. You want to look for code. So here it is. Copy it. Always starts with this iframe. That is copied. Go back over here to my web page. This is selected. That's where I would like to put it. And then I'm going to click on embed. Make sure you've clicked on embed code, not the URL. That works great if you have a URL. I have code that starts with the iframe. Click next. And let's see if it works. There it is. Insert. Okay, yay. So there's my little video that will be available to play. Now notice it went right below. Oh well, sometimes that happens. I'm going to type in my title for the video. You can just click and type right in there. You can change the size of your fonts. So this is all about math facts and how no more time tests. Things are not great for our brains. So that's the title I want. So now I'm going to see if I can click and drag this down here. So once you're on this little, I don't know, array-like looking button, and I have the four-way cross sign, you can click and you can move things around there. So I want that there because it belongs with this. So notice up here, I've got this extra box now that I don't want. So if I click on it and select it, so you can see it's all blue there. Over on the side here, I can change the background, duplicate, no thank you, or delete. I pick delete, so that part is gone. So now I've added to this math page a math video, and I've given it a title there. And then I can keep going. I could add some more things, some images. I could add some things from my drive, whatever makes sense. So let's just show one more thing. If I want to come up here and check out my cool new website, I can click on the preview button and it'll show me what the math page looks like. Right down here, it'll show you large screen, tablet, or phone. Let's look at the tablet menu just because everything's going to fit on there. If I click the X button, it's going to take me back to the edit page. So now it's not letting me pull all the way up. So let's look at the large screen. All right, still not letting me drag all the way up, but it looks like it is now in there. So that should be good. Click back out of this. Brings me back to my edit page. When you've got your website good to go, you can click the publish button and it'll be out there for people to see. Of course, you'll have to play with the permissions to get it to the people that you want to see it. So that's some basics. Think about what the purpose of your website. Think about who your audience is, and then just give it a go. See what you can put in there. That will tell all about you. Thanks.